Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the AllStreetBets token. Ticker symbol is BETS. Now this token is about to be listed starting tomorrow, April 30th, on a very big central exchange, a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on the AllStreetBets token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, birthed as a partnership to unify Web 2 and Web 3 communities, AllStreetBets represents freedom. Freedom to transact, freedom of expression, freedom to be free. ASB exists to unify communities around ideas of freedom, fundraise charity efforts, and build an investment community focused around high-risk strategies and DeFi concepts. Beginning with a meme founded by SamDude.eth and WSB founder Jamie Rogozinski, BETS is shaping up to be much more than just a meme. Now this token is on the BASECHAIN, and right now they have 3,280 holders, 18 decimal places on this token. There's 109,000 transfers, max total supply 10 billion BETS tokens. Now, it was just announced that this token will be listed April 30th at 13 hours UTC time on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then go into the trade section tomorrow and search BETS, B-E-T-S, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, this token here has a Telegram at ASB Portal that has 707 subscribers. You can preview the channel. That's a great place to see updates regarding this token if you want to learn more. Their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over there, at AllStreetBets V1. You'll see that they have a full link tree that's going to take you anywhere you need to go there. It has a link to their Telegram there as well. 4,105 followers on there at AllStreetBets V1. And then on the link tree, you can find the link to Dex Tools, Dex Screener, their YouTube, Warpcast, TikTok, Reddit, webpage, Uniswap, Telegram, you name it. It's all on there. Now, if you click on their white paper, it actually just takes you to a Medium article. So, you know, some people put their Medium articles, their white papers in the form of Medium articles. And it's called AllStreetBets, Shifting the Financial Power of Cultural Narratives for Change. Any half-decent themed meme coin can be successful if the right community forms around it. If it facilitates enjoyable vibes with fellow speculators who then determine the project to be worth holding and sharing with others. However, the largest and most successful meme coin projects come with the largest and most controversial cultural narratives. As with any good lasting story, there is a hero and a villain, and a whom that the hero unwaveringly represents and protects. There is a weak and poor needing to be helped, and unrighteous scorn, or a distressed damsel to be rescued. AllStreetBets is the culmination and merging of villains and heroes spanning two distinct and highly relevant storylines, one representing power, one representing good. Together, these stories can affect change. Most of us are familiar with the story of Robin Hood and the wealth of the elite moving into the hands of the poor, and many of us are also familiar with the example of the ironic contributions of the Robin Hood exchange that became the focus of the controversy after it decided to freeze trades on GameStop Jan 28th to protect short-selling institutions. When the Wall Street Bets community on Reddit began collectively buying the company's stock, just one of the many instances of alleged corporate interference on behalf of elite establishments. But who was affected the most? Well, the people. And it says, to add insult to injury, we understand the controversy is taking place throughout the Wall Street Bets community and generally contained within the corporately owned and controlled Reddit platform itself, which has presented us with yet another instance of seemingly Robin Hood-esque market control. The platform, originally facilitating the free public discord around important financial market topics, has found a way to silence the influence of the group's founder. This is Jamie Rogozinski, and implemented methods of control over the voice of contributors. So they go over the whole story, basically, of all this. The villain, the hero, AllStreetBets. Let's skip down to the tokenomics. So AllStreetBets is a privately funded 3% tax token. So if you are going to get this off Uniswap, there's going to be some a little bit of gas fees, and then you are going to have to set your slippage around 3% for buy, sells, and maybe transfers. And it says, with initial LP and marketing funds supplied from the hand-selected group of NFT collectors, project founders, and Web3 enthusiasts that may be able to add value to the project through promotion, skills, resources, and connections, AllStreetBets is being launched on the BASECHAIN in order to make use of the historical longevity and reliability of Ethereum while facilitating mass adoption through low-cost fees on the Base L2 network, and was designed as a practical coin for a tax perspective in order to provide the highest chance of success. Proposed tokenomics are targeted towards long-term success of the project. Initial allocation of the LP is 35%, and that will create a strong market cap and liquidity ratio at a lower price volatility. The low market cap and attractive liquidity profile allow for a quick upside to potential investors. So the 3% buy and sell tax is split up between buybacks, marketing and development, charity, fundraising, partner fees, and development fees. So the rest of the tokenomics, we got 20% of the supply reserved for operations and project development, 5% for central exchange allocations like MEXC Global, 5% marketing, 5% core team and bonuses, 5% community rewards and partnerships. So go check this token out. It is being listed on MEXC Global. Check out all the referral codes down there, especially that MEXC Global one if you don't have an account. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.